Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you something different. Okay? So look at our mini showroom here. Okay? So today we have a range of the products and we did previously for our customers. And we also have Kelly here.
Hello, my friends. I'm Kelly from EU Market Guides.
Yeah, so she is pretty experienced with these medical supplies. Today we are going to show you some products we did before and we really like them. Okay, let's start. And Kelly, can you just, I think here we have one box here. So what is that?
This is the TPE gloves. Actually, it's not so popular in the medical care industry, but it's very usefully popular in the cleaning and food processing. Yeah.
Oh, so this is, let's have a look, okay? Come here. We see this. This is a 200 gloves. This probably is a brand we made before.
Yeah,
And,
from US brand.
Oh, it's a brand, okay. Oh, yeah, so these are some signs I really don't understand. This is a large size. This is a large size. And let's take a look over the products. Oh, it's nicely packed. Yeah? Oh, it has its own barcode here. All right, let's see. Oh, okay.
Yeah, this fits most size hands. Yeah.
Oh, it feels perfect. It feels perfect on my hand. So this is just a normal.
Yeah, it's normal one. It's not so. It's probably used in the daily use. Yeah.
So
Not for daily use. For medical, sometimes you also use, but not that popular.
Oh, okay. So you mean that I can wash kitchen and vegetables with these gloves on?
Yes.
Okay, great. So this is the cheapest one.
Yes.
Today we're going to show you. Okay. So for one more. Oh, I'm going to try another one. So this one is from
This is PVC glove and also called vinyl.
vinyl.
Yeah.
PVC gloves and vinyl. Oh,
This one is very popular and widely used in the healthcare and medical care, and also the electronic processing. Yeah.
also electronic
Yeah.
processing.
In the factories, they need to make sure with no dust, and so the labels need to wear the gloves to take all the production.
Oh, okay. So remember this PVC gloves, it's used widely in medical and with, you mean operations,
Yes.
something like this.
Yeah.
And it also used in factories for the dust proof. Yeah, for the factories, for the dust proof. Oh, this feels really close. You see? And I feel I'm wearing no gloves. Very good. Okay. So let me say this. Oh, this is called what do you call this?
Vinyl.
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 Okay. Vinyl disposable
Gloves. Yeah.
gloves. Vinyl disposable gloves. Oh, I think I should cover their brand. Heavy duty M. So this is M size. This is a pack of
25 pieces.
Oh, here. This is the pack of 25 pieces. They also have 3 small sizes. Okay, so what is the use for this gloves? It's only for medical and...
Its medical use can be, and also the daily use, and also food processing. Yeah, but currently it's more for about daily, and for medical, it's more about to use the natural gloves.
Oh,
When
okay.
in the COVID, the natural glove is very shortage, so customers will use this to take place.
Oh, right. Okay, so that's alternatives. So what about this bags here?
Yeah, it's a big package for the 100 pieces, and this is the most normal packages. Yeah,
Okay.
the basic one.
This is the basic package.
100 pieces. Yeah.
100 pieces pack, and it's pretty heavy. So this is also got, they also got, oh, this has got 4 sizes. 4 sizes, and pack it like this.
Yeah, this is we made for our Canada customer.
Oh,
Yeah.
so this is for Canada. Okay, so this is for US?
Yes.
This is for Canada and this is for US. Cool. All right. So I think you have another glove here, right?
Yeah, this is the vinyl.
This is also vinyl.
Yeah, this is the pure vinyl. You see, it's very soft and it's really stressful. Yeah,
Oh.
this is the pure vinyl. And also there is a one it's like a vinyl blended glove. They call vinyl, but actually it's vinyl blended. It's made by the mixing vinyl raw material and PVC raw material.
Oh, it's a mix.
You can compare its difference.
Really?
Yeah, it's not as soft and not as stretched.
Okay, let me close my eyes so I know which one is better. Huh? This. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, this one doesn't stretch. This one doesn't
Yeah,
stretch.
it's mixing by part of the vinyl and natural, but natural percentage is not very high, so you can feel it's more similar like the PVC glove.
Oh, this is a mix. So that means if it's it's like a spandex.
Yeah.
If it's stretch, you feel like this, that is vinyl. And if you feel like this, so that's
blended, yeah.
that's a very limited percentage of nitrile, right?
Yes.
Inside. Oh. I don't know that, but I'm sure the professionals, the doctors, they will know this.
Yeah.
Oh, so the difference is for this one is easy. It's easy to put it on, right?
Yes, you can. It's usually in the medical care and health care.
Oh, okay. So this is used in medical care.
It fits very well. Yeah.
I cannot feel it. Yeah, you wear this and it fits, and you really cannot feel it. What about this one? Let me try this on. Oh, so this is more fit. This fit, and this one, you see this. You see this. These are some already. Or there are some. It's like this, but this one you see, it fits.
Yeah, it's really good for the health care and also the surgical. But if you want to use for surgical, it need to be sterilized. Yeah.
What do you mean sterilized?
And sterilized means no bacteria can use in the surgical operation.
Oh, I don't know
Yeah.
that. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, see this. Okay, all right. So these are the gloves. This is the most expensive, and this is less expensive.
Yeah. And then is the vinyl, also called PVC.
Vinyl and PVC, and they are the same thing. Yeah, vinyl and PVC, and a small box and a big box. And then this is the
TPE.
just for the this is TPE.
Yes, daily use one.
Or TPE plastic. So it's daily used gloves. Okay, so these are the actually three types of the gloves. Actually, four types of gloves. So we bring today. Thank you very much, and we will have our next part in a minute.